So guys and girls, a real quick update. You can see the leaves are now all down. It is October 23rd today. Sorry, November 23rd. Wish it was October. So yeah, all the leaves are down. Quick update on the gutter guards. You can see there's like some maple keys and some lighter stuff that's in there. The neighbor has since cleaned their trough. You can still see that there's stuff in there. And you can see the other side. Nice and clean. And the neighbor's nice and dirty. So I'm going to call this a success. We're going to kind of monitor it a little bit in the wintertime, see if it causes any ice damming or ice jamming. Like I said, I've got the 3 feet of ice and water shield up the ridge, or up the soffit there, so shouldn't be an issue, but we're going to monitor it anyways. And thanks for watching the update. Very happy with Gutter Guard. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. Think about hitting that subscribe button there. Thank you.